Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. This is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. Today is April 16, 2021, last day of the trading week. We're at week number 15. Don't forget, for all you Facebook fans, you can go to this investing group. It's a social media group named Investing 102. You can find me there. So let's talk about the markets before we begin trading. And you can see everything looking good. Everything is turning green right now. Last thing is Bitcoin is actually a little bit down, but the big news of the day was Dogecoin hit some new highs. Everybody's excited because some people got in at under a penny each, so obviously they made over 3,000% return. Ether was touching a new high. I don't remember exactly what the value is. Bitcoin is actually down. I think 64 is the new high. As you can see, Roku is a trade that I put on. It says I can actually close this for negative value. For a credit, which normally is impossible. The right answer is normally $1 or $2, but we'll test it out. We'll see what happens. I don't think you can. It never works that way. But I'll put in the trade and I'll show you. It may reject my trade. And I tried to get it for 1 cent, didn't work. I tried to put it at even, and that didn't work. So exactly what I thought. You can't do it mathematically. It always costs about $1 or $2 per contract. I'm okay with paying for it. I don't like letting my options stay open. So let's see what happened. I think it sold for even, because you see I tried to change it and it wouldn't let me. And there you go. I did get it for even. I'm really surprised it actually did go across. So I'm excited. I closed it for nothing, but you still pay 50 cents per contract. And so there's commission, so you lose $2 there. But I'm okay with that. So for me, what's exciting about the Roku trade is I've been putting it on with 2 days, either 1 or 2 days open. And so far I've been right for a couple weeks now. And obviously you can't always be right. So you got to be careful how you play that. I'm still making roughly 2% a week for roughly 2 days of risk. Most time it's 1 day, 1.5 days. Sometimes I do 2 days. But you see on a trade like that, and this time I did an iron condor this week. So I got the call credit spread and the put credit spread. And I'll do a detailed explanation on that on the weekend when I punch up my pivot table and show you all the summaries for my trades. Okay, and then just 2 minutes before closing, I got my last trade in. I'm just rolling this down and in for a little bit of credit, 30 cents credit. This is a cover call. So I think that's it for this week. I don't think I did that well. I'm still in trouble with my iron condors with with the SP 500. But I'm still sticking to my game plan. I'll show you what the market is doing. You see this? It is slightly off, but it's still very strong. I need some red days. That's what I need. And the market is really strong, so I'm going to keep on doing what I'm doing. I'll take the loss on my trades and then put out new ones using the same strategy. Now, what I'm afraid of is, you see how we're breaking new highs all the time, but what's really bad is what if there's a 2 or 3 days of sharp correction? And I'm talking about 1,000-point move downwards or bigger. I'm talking about like a 4 or 5% move, because that will cause me to lose on the other side, even when it does correct. I prefer the market just sort of go red and go a little bit, or I don't need big moves. I just need the market to not move in one direction so much. So with that being said, hey, comment below. Let me know what you're doing. Let me know how your trading week went. I think it was better than mine. I didn't have a good week, but I'm okay with that. Like I said, I am using some of these things for hedging. I make money when the market's a little bit more stable. I lose money when it's volatile in either direction. So I'm okay with that. I'd rather be volatile in the up direction than the down. What that means is my 401k plan made money. Some of my other stuff made money. And I lose money on the options. But anyway, let's do this together. Let's do this $1 at a time. And I'll see you next week. Have a profitable day. Bye-bye.